security aside, you know, just rebel. And then you give this aura that you take fake pictures of yourself being arrested in the back. Is that something Austin would have...
Oh, fucking hell.
...in a feud would have done? That's how it's coming across online.
We're waking up.
Oh, fucking hell.
With the Peugeot 208 Tech Edition, with connected 3D navigation, park assist, colour reversing camera, and automatic parking aids, it makes every urban adventure.
Then why the fuck are you walking right through? Like this in the background. What the fuck is it with you? What don't you fucking understand?
Hold on, do it. Yeah, yeah. Oh my God. Yeah.
Within the hour of the announcement of Ashley's death, TT.
Even if it was 6 hours later. Yay!
And Luke Moore has joined us as always. Hello. To kind of let the story unfold. How you doing, Luke? Good. Pretty good. How you guys doing? Yeah, good. We all enjoyed this.
I haven't finished it, but I'm enjoying it. It is. I'm finding it slightly more inspirational than last week's.
Yeah. Indirectly. It's because it's not really a business. It's just the story of the way the kind of company began.
You know when you think you've done enough, and you love me harder, 'cause you know I need that. When you love me harder, 'cause you know I need that. Dum 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 dum.